welcome back here with us on Times Now. Viewers, amid the Congress party's questions on India's Operation Sindoor, the government and the External Affairs Minister, an agreement signed by India and Pakistan way back in 1991 has come to haunt the Congress party. At the center of the controversy is the pact titled Agreement on Advance Notice on Military Exercises, Maneuvers and Troop Movements, signed on 6th of April 1991. The BJP, via this agreement, has accused the Congress party of treason for being in the government that backed this decision. According to this agreement, India and Pakistan agreed to exchanging information about any attack or army movement. BJP's Nishikant Dubey posted a copy of this agreement on social media platform X and accused the Congress party of being hand in glove with its Pakistan vote bank. Here are some of the excerpts as far as this agreement is concerned. According to the understanding, the two countries agreed on advance notice on troop movement. The schedule of the troop exercises is to be transmitted in advance, and in case of any immediate movement, the information may be passed to the army headquarters through the hotline. Listen in to what Nishikant Dubey had to say.
आज ये जो 1991 का एग्रीमेंट है जो 94 में इंप्लीमेंट किया नरसिंह राव की सरकार ने, वो क्या कहता है कि आप किसी प्रकार की कोई एक्सरसाइज करोगे, मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज करोगे, ट्रूप की मूवमेंट करोगे, एयरफोर्स की करोगे, नेवी की करोगे, आर्मी की करोगे, आपको 15 दिन पहले जो है उसकी जानकारी दे देनी है। तो आपने ये देशद्रोह नहीं किया, आप जो है क्यों जानकारी दोगे? तो जिस तरह की एग्रीमेंट कांग्रेस करती आई है, जैसे सिंधु जल समझौता है, वर्ल्ड बैंक के दबाव में आपने कर दिया, हमारा पानी जो हमारे किसानों को पानी नहीं मिल रहा है, उनको खेती का पानी नहीं है, पीने का पानी नहीं है, आपने उसको एग्रीमेंट कर दिया। आज हम जो है उसको केवल सस्पेंड कर पाए ना, हम उसको यदि कैंसिल करना है तो कैंसिल करने के लिए लाखों चने चबाने पड़ेंगे। पूरी दुनिया जो है आज ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड में पूरी दुनिया एक दूसरे के साथ दिखाई देती है। इस तरह के नेहरू लियाकत पैक्ट कर दिया, जो वक्फ कानून जो आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, नेहरू लियाकत पैक्ट के आधार पर जो है वो आगे बढ़ा। आप एग्रीमेंट कर लो, आप इस देश में समस्या पैदा कर लो और उसके बाद आप हमारे ऊपर क्वेश्चन करो। मेरा ये मानना है कि जो एग्रीमेंट कांग्रेस ने किया, ये कांग्रेस का जो एग्रीमेंट है ये देशद्रोह है और मुझे लगता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी को खुद अपने गिरेबान में झांकना चाहिए कि उनके ऊपर देशद्रोह का कानून लागू होता है कि नहीं।
And as the BJP sharpened its attack over an old pact allegedly signed and implemented by the Congress in the early 90s, one that mandated India to pre-notify Pakistan on military drills, party spokesperson Pawan Kheda has responded, but without addressing the specific points here. Pawan Kheda has cited the political context of 1991, claiming the party withdrew support that was given to the Chandrasekhar government at that point in time. Other leaders of the Congress party also sought to dismiss the charge, instead claiming that the centre had admitted their strategic blunder in informing Pakistan. Listen in.
That this agreement was signed in April. Rajiv Gandhi ji had withdrawn support from the Chandrasekhar government in March 1991 itself. This is a peacetime agreement, however, and it talks about how there should not be any miscommunication during peacetime on the movement of our forces, our army, our military, our air force and our navy. But having said that, what exchange of information has happened in a warlike situation. The terrorists attacked us and we were taking retaliatory action. We were in the middle of a conflict, and in the middle of the conflict, Jaishankar ji has informed Pakistan, and now the BJP and Nishikant Dubey are accepting that yes, Jaishankar ji had informed Pakistan exactly what Rahul ji has been saying for a long while now.
This only proves by his tweet that what Mr. Jaishankar and Minister of External Affairs been denying after confessional statement by the External Affairs Minister that it is informed to the Pakistan forces where we are going to attack. Now it's proven that what Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been saying, that Mr. Jaishankar has informed the Pakistan forces, it's a betrayal, it's an amount of treason. Now it's a proven what being Minister of External Affairs is denying, that they have informed, and it's a betrayal, it's a letdown to the Indian forces and Indian people of India.
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. More news and updates on the other side with Siddharth. Stay with us.